magmerienda. So, hindi sila papayag na wala silang share. So, how about you guys? How do you spend time with your pets? Nilitin ba kayo mag-snack time? So, yeah, this is one of our favorite time. Alam na nila yan pag nagme-merienda ako, kasali sila. So, ano yung mga favorite snacks na inyong pets? Itong dalawa. Lahat favorite nila.
This is corn chips.
Itong corn chips na ito ay na-discover namin sa Costco. So, masarap siya. At hindi siya salty. So, pwede nyo rin siyang i-try. So, enjoy watching. Grabe ang drooling nitong dalawa dito sa video na to. So, pero, syempre, dapat konti lang. Okay. Until the next video, guys. Bye.
Okay, whose turn now? Whose turn? Mama? Mama's turn. Mama's turn. So, who's next? High five. Papa's turn. Papa's turn daw. Papa's turn. Okay. Let's see. High five. Okay. And aso. Speak, aso. Speak. 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 Good. Hi. This is Wako. And this is Aso. So we're gonna enjoy our corn chips. See you later. High five. Oh. Oh. Good boy.